Okay, let's make a cocktail. This right here, this is how to make a Godfather. A super simple classic, really easy to remake, especially in a home setting. What you're going to do is grab a short glass like so, fill it to the top with cubed ice, and then we're going to add 2 ingredients. Ingredient 1, Scotch whisker. Blended, single malt, it doesn't matter, it's all up to you, add whatever your favourite is. We're going to go in with 30 millilitres, that is just over a shot and a splash if you're American, go in with an ounce. Second ingredient, amaretto. Disaronno is the most popular, but you can use whatever you want, and we're going to use the exact same amount, that is 30 millilitres, goes in along with the scotch. Lastly, all you're going to do is stir that. Now we're not stirring to dilute it necessarily, all we want to do is combine those 2 ingredients, so just a quick light stir would do perfectly, and there you have it. Look at that, a Godfather. How long did that take? Let's have 1 minute? Super simple, right? How many ingredients? 2. 2 ingredients, you got yourself a classic cocktail. Let's have a taste of this. Let's see how it is. Smells, not gonna lie. Smells good. Have a taste. Tastes so good, even Marlon Brando would approve. And that right there, that is the Godfather. Enjoy.